The question is, discuss the effect of pressure and temperature on the adsorption of gases on solids. The answer is, effect of temperature and pressure on the adsorption of gases on solids are as follows. First of all, we will discuss about the temperature. According to the Le Chatelier's principle, the physical adsorption readily occurs at low temperature and adsorption rate is slow at high temperature. Okay, so as we increase the temperature, the rate of adsorption decreases. Okay. Second is pressure. As we increase the pressure, the amount of gas adsorbed on the adsorbent is increased as the volume of gas decreases. Since it is an exothermic process, the physical adsorption occurs fast at low temperature and decrease with increase in pressure. So what does it mean? What does this entire thing mean? Okay. So as you can see here, physical adsorption depends upon the temperature and it is inversely proportional. Okay. So as the here we can say that adsorption I will denote it by I will only write ADSORP is rate of adsorption. It is rate of adsorption is you can remember that it is inversely proportional to temperature. As we increase the temperature, it decreases. Okay? And for pressure we can easily visualize it that if we increase the pressure on the gas, it tends to liquefy. It means that uh, if we increase the pressure, it will easily get adsorbed. Okay, so its freedom movement will get decreased. Okay, as we increase the pressure, so it will easily get adsorbed. Okay, so again, as we increase the pressure, amount of so I will write it down again that pressure increase. If we increase the pressure, comma rate adsorption increases. Okay,